shit around here, man.
Yeah, they start to clean it at 5. They're gonna clean it like at 20. As soon as it's snowy, you should get out making it.
¿Es Shorty?
Yeah. He has a fucking pick up the light.
Shit, with the Cadillac, I cannot go through this fucking street. That they're gonna be closed?
Yeah, that's what they said. That they got it from.
They didn't even clean the. Mira, they didn't even clean it.
They didn't clean shit.
See, around here, I'll get fucking stuck with the Cadillac.
That could be a New Jersey. Right?
See, only 4x4s have gone through here, or only big trucks. Right here, yeah, little cars went through here. This nigga didn't want to stop. Bitch.
You're looking at it like, yeah, someone's gonna get stuck.
They look at it like, what the fuck?
Yeah, this is so fucking nice. Yo, look at this little car.
Van a querer a la Walgreens. See, this is the good time that I don't regret having this truck.
Cecilia.
bet they're shooting bricks. Hey, is it school tomorrow? How do you check the news? A text? They said that to me too. Are you sure?
Yeah! Wanna see it?
What happened?
I already have it.